Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we start, I would like to show you how I formulate my recipe using a soap calculator as a guide based on what kind of oils that I have at home to get the right amount of water and lye. Starting with the amount of superfat, here's 6%. Today I'm going to use 50% of pure olive oil combined with other oils. Here's the amount of liquid and lye that's been suggested on the calculator. So let's do this. As usual, I'm mixing the lye with water, little bit at a time. This is very hot, so caution is needed when you do this. Wear your gloves and wear your mask and glasses if you need to. So here's my hard oils. Using the heat transfer method, I'm going to pour the lye water into these oils. Stir it until it's completely melted. When it's melted, I'm going to pour the liquid oil into it. Mix it together. Here's Brazilian purple clay. I also added a little bit of purple mica to enhance the color. Lastly, don't forget the essential oil. This is pure lavender oil and nothing else. Alright, the mixture is getting thicker now. It's time to pour it into the mold. Here's some natural dried lavender buds, extra blue because some lavender buds are gray in color. You can buy this online, like from Amazon or eBay. I'm going to scatter this on top of the soap for decoration. Alright, leave this overnight and hopefully you'll be ready for cutting tomorrow. So here's the next day. The soap is quite dry now, firm and soft enough to be cut. Let's unmold this. Today I'm going to be using a crinkle cutter to give extra texture and different shape to the soap. So let's cut this block into 2 big chunks. You see the inside? It's looking good and the color looks even. So let's cut this into bars. If you use wire cutter, make sure you tip your soap block the other way when you have decoration on top of your soap. Doesn't matter which way really, so that the dried flowers don't stick on the wire and get dragged down during cutting and scratch your soap. You will have a clean cut when you do this way. If you have some leftover soaps after the trimming, do not throw it away. You can make some soap balls. Why not? Nothing goes to waste. You can give out as a sample, or you can use them for leather tests or pH tests, or you can combine with other pieces and put them into soap bags and use it for yourself or sell them. Before we dry the soap, let's do a quick leather test and pH test. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Any questions, please ask me. I'll be glad to answer them. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye-bye.